Rajaram Mohan Roy founded Brahmo Samaj. Ani Muslim Arya Samaj, 1877, was founded by Dayanand Saraswati. Arya Samaj was founded in 1875, Czech. In 1805, British made Sri Lanka a colony. British annexed NWFP in 1849. Wardha scheme written by Zakir Hussain. Sati was abolished by Lord William Banting. First census in India made during the period of Lord Mayo. Mohenjo-daro and Harappa discovered in 1922. Sir John Marshall ordered digging of Mohenjo-daro in 1922. East India Company was formed in 1600 in London. In India, French East India Company was established in 1664. Rayashmai-Romal campaign started by Ubaidullah Sindhi before War of Independence. War of Independence started on May 7, 1857 from Delhi. Lord Canning was the Governor-General of India during Sepoy Mutiny. In India, the first gate of entrance of Europeans was Bengal. At Meerut firstly the War of Independence was fought. War of Independence started on May 9, 1857. The first Viceroy of the subcontinent was Lord Canning. Queen's Proclamation was made in 1858. Indian National Congress made by Allen O. Hume in 1885. First President of Congress was W. C. Banerjee. 72 members attended the first meeting of Congress at Bombay, out of them only 2 were Muslims. Warren Hastings was the first Governor-General of Bengal. Hindi-Urdu controversy started in 1867. Hindi-Urdu controversy started in 1867. Mohsin-ul-Mulk founded Urdu Defence Association. Syed Ahmed Khan, born on October 17, 1817 in Delhi and died March 241, 1898 at Aligarh. Sir Syed is buried in Aligarh Muslim University. Tazabul-Akhlaq was published in 1870. 1867 Czech, Sir Syed wrote Loyal Mohammedans of India and Causes of Indian Revolt. Hayat Javed is written by Maulana Hali about Sir Syed. In India, English education was first initiated in Bengal in 1835. Shah Waliullah was born in Delhi. Madrasa Rahimiyya was established by Shah Abdul Rahim. Scientific Society was established in 1863. Albert Bill was presented in 1883. NWFP was separated from Punjab by the British in 1901. Lord Curzon was then the Viceroy and GG of British India. Mohammedan Educational Conference was formed on December 27, 1886 by Sir Syed. Muhammadan Literacy Society of Calcutta founded in 1860. Indian Patriotic Association was founded in 1861. Nadwatul Ulama, 1884, was founded by Maulvi Abdul Ghaffur Qasim Nativi. Nadwatul Ulama was founded in 1894 and Maulvi Abdul Ghaffur was its founder, Czech. Darul ul Deoband, 1867, was founded by Maud Qasim Nanavatavi. Mao College founded on Jan. 8, 1877 and inaugurated by Governor-General Lord Lytton. Present Sindhi alphabets made by Sir Barter Frere in 1883. Anjumani Himayat Islam was founded in 1884. Sindh Madrasa built by Hassan Ali Effendi on September 1, 1885. D.J. Dewan-de-Aram Jethmal, Science College was opened by Governor of Bombay Lord Ray on January 17, 1887. Islamia High School Peshawar was founded in 1890. Muslim Aligarh University was established in 1920. Treaty of Amritsar took place in 1876. Kashmir was sold to Gulab Singh in 1845. NWFP was given status of province in 1901. Shakespeare, not William Shakespeare, was the governor of Benares. Mohammedan Political Association was formed in 1903. Partition of Bengal announced on 1 September, 1905 and Im. 05 by Lord Curzon.